Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. This today is going to be a shemodern Halloween collaboration. 4 of us that use shemodern decided to get together at the last minute to wish everyone a happy and safe Halloween and to show you a few nail arts with using a lot of shemodern products. So let's get into the nails. First I'm going to paint my nails with Modelones Black Gold. That's from their Blue Blood collection. Modelones 80 Degrees from their Temperature collection, and Modelones Bronze from their Blue Blood collection as well. I decided to mix it up really good for you. Remember to use my code Nails of Interest to save 10%. I hope you'll watch the other 3 videos in this collaboration. That will be Girly Nails 66 is the co-host this time. Glitzy Nails UK, Just Nailed It, and Karinna Wlliett will have a playlist up on my end screen, in a pinned comment, and in the description box. If you just hit that link, you'll be able to watch all 4 videos. Whoever's you've watched first, just fast forward over that video, and you'll get to sit back and enjoy some cool shemodern Halloween manis. I've got some foils. I'm going to take these off of the paper backing and apply it to my nails. Got them painted up. Forgot to take them off the water, so let me take them off of the backing first. I want to show you real quick how fast this comes off the backing. There's no need to soak it. It just comes off so easily. I'm going to use my stamper head this time around because I'm going to do some cool stuff with that, and I want to let it dry because I'm doing it into the tacky layer of my gel. And I really don't have anything planned other than I filled a few images up. I'm just going with it. Okay, while I let these dry, put them aside. Okay, I've already applied the spider to my orange nail. I applied a strip of hollow. I've got my alcohol out. I do label it 99% alcohol. It's got a safety lock lid on it, just in case. I do believe in using purest form of products as I can, and the extra you can just take right off, but you can just use your scissors to cut it accordingly, pre-size it if you wish. I'm going to do a couple of things here. I have no idea what I'm doing yet. Okay, these guys are nice and dry. I find that mix and matching your colors works out just fine as long as you incorporate a little bit. So you can see them on this side. I'm going to make these babies glow, because why not? With the little eyes and everything, I'm going to glow. I put them on 2 different stampers because I'm going to use 2 different glows. And let's just see what I come up with. I'm just going to put a little bit for each color I want to make glow, separate. As soon as you charge them up in the sunlight or nail lamp, they will glow. The white glows blue, so I'm going to do blue on these. And these will glow for hours and hours. And let's use the orange glow in the dark. I think I'm going to use orange and green. Doesn't take much at all. Get out some more. You can use top coat or base gel. It doesn't matter. You can use foil glue. The one I want. Green isn't that big. I get out the green. And now I'm just going to take this. You can prep these ahead of time, no problem. I'm just going to make my little pumpkin glow. Just a very, very tiny amount. Let that level out and be nice and thin. Let me color these in and I'll get right back with you. Okay, I have them prepped. Just deciding where I want to put them. You can use your stamper to push it down. You don't want to touch your gel polish. I cured these, by the way. So brush, since this is sticky, let me top coat these in, clean up, and be right back with you. Hopefully we can get some cool glow video as well. Okay, this is my finished day look. And let me try to turn the lights off and see if I can give you glow. If not, I'll have to insert some pictures. So let's turn off some lights. It's not dark enough to show you them glowing, so I'll insert some pictures. Halloween manicure. Have a great Halloween, everyone. Please, on the end screen or in my pinned comment, there will be a playlist of the other four ladies in this collaboration: Girly Nails 66, Glitzy Nails UK, Just Nailed It, and Karinna Wlliett. Please check their videos out, give them a thumbs up, and show some support. Just sit back, hit the red play button, and let the playlist play. So have a happy Halloween, everybody. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.